Class 11th, Subject Mathematics, Chapter 3rd, Trigonometric Function. Today I am taking important formula for exercise 3.3. So, students, how to learn this formula? Actually, it is very difficult. If you prove and learn this formula, it is quite long. So, I am taking a short trick. You can remember this formula by the short tricks. What is short tricks? Here, look. First formula, cos x plus y. How we will learn this formula? Actually, you should take one thing in your mind, that cos is very dangerous person. It is dominative. It always come first. How? Like cos x into cos y. Okay, cos says to sine, first I will come. Cos x, cos y on both places. Then you will come. Means then sine x and sine y. Sine x and sine y. It and cos change sign also. If cot x plus y is there, then put here minus. Means cot is that kind of dangerous person. It comes always first cos x cos y, it first two places, and then plus sign will change into minus sign, and then it allows to sign to the next two places, sin x sin y. Similarly, cos x plus minus y, you will remember, see cos x, again I told you cos will come first on both the places, cos x cos y, and then it will change sign. If it is minus, then it will become a plus, and then sin x and sin y. Okay, now in the case of sine is good person. It will not dominate to the cos. It will say one time I will come, means one time sin x, and one time it will allow to cos to come here. The side cos y means sin x cos y, and plus sign also remain plus, and that cos x and sin y means sin x cos y cos x sin y. Similarly, in sin x minus y also, sin x into cos y minus sign remain minus, and cos x into sin y. Okay, so these are four formula that you could remember by this trick. Then tan x plus y. In case of tan x plus y, what you will do? Actually, a numerator tan x plus tan y only. Okay, as the written bracket, and a denominator you should remember, if numerator is positive, then denominator will be negative. Then 1 minus tan x into tan y. This is for tan x plus y. For tan x minus y, what you learn? How? Same, tan x minus tan y. And I told you, if numerator is negative, then denominator will be positive. Then 1 plus, change the sign here, tan x into tan y. This is the formula for tan. Now similarly, two formula for cot also. So cot x plus y, here actually we will reverse. Means in case of tan x tan y, tan x into tan y comes denominator, but here it will come on numerator. So how we will learn? Here write on cot x into cot y minus 1. Okay, if it is plus sign, okay, then take here minus sign, and down is what you write down here, cot y plus cot x. This is the formula of cot. Means cot x plus y means cot x plus cot y denominator, and cot x into cot y minus 1 at numerator. Now at the next place, the cot x minus y. In case of cot x minus y, how you write down? Here you write down the cot, same, only change the sign, cot x into cot y plus 1. If it is negative, then put here plus 1, and at denominator write down cot y plus, sorry, minus it is. If it is plus, then put cot y minus cot x. Okay, after that, these important formula also you should remember. How? That cot 2x, this cos x plus y, then cot 2x. Cot 2x, how you write down cot 2x or cos 2x? It is cos 2x, sorry, not cot 2x, cos 2x is here, cos 2x. The cos 2x, how many formula you can write down for cot 2x? Three formula at least. First formula you write down cos square x minus sin square x. Okay, it's very simple. Derivation also you can do if you want. And because how? Cos 2x means cos x plus x. Suppose if you write down cos x plus x, so cos x cos y means both the place x, the cos x, cos square x, and minus sin x into sin x, sin square x. That's why it is formula is cos square minus sin square. Or second formula you can write down in the form of 2 cos square x minus 1. If you change this sin square into cos square, then it will become 2 cos. Or third formula you can write down 1 minus 2 sin square x, or 1/4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 form we can write down. Then you can write down 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. If you want to write down formula in the form of tan, then this. If you want to write down formula cos x into cos sin form, then this formula will apply. If you write down cos 2x formula in the form of cos form, this is, and this is both form. Similarly, sin 2x. How will you write down sin 2x? Sin 2x we can write down here. That is 2 sin x cos x. Okay. Or is equal to, in the form of tan, 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. Okay. In the form of tan. Then tan 2x formula. How can you write down tan 2x formula? Tan 2x formula is very easy. It is based on this same tan x plus y. Means if you write down tan x, it both the place angle is same, tan x, tan x, 2 tan x, and tan x, tan square. So this will change into, write down here that 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. This is the formula that you can write down for tan 2x. And then cos 2x. How to write down? What is the formula of cos 2x? You can write down similarly. Cos 2x equal to cot square x minus 1 upon 2 cot x. Now 13th formula, sin 3x. How you remember sin 3x? You write down here 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. If sin 3x formula, then 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Okay. And cos 3x. Cos 3x is just like in that form. Write down here then 4 cos cube x and minus 3 cos x. See the relation. If sin 3x, then 3 will come first. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. It will come also q. Here also it will come q, and here also q. But in cos formula, write this plus means positive 4 cos q minus 3x. This is the way that you can remember easily. Then tan 3x. What is the formula of tan 3x you will write down? That is 3 tan x minus tan qx and upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. This you write down. Cot 3x formula is not required because it is long. You can prove that also. So there is no need. Now directly we will learn this formula. Cot x plus cos x plus cos y. How you remember cos x plus cos y? In this cos x plus cos y positive, we can write down very easily 2 and write down here cos and here x plus y upon 2. X plus y upon 2, angle will be half, and then into cos x minus y upon 2. Okay, so cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos x plus y upon 2 into cos x minus y upon 2. Now cos x minus cos y. In this formula, cos will be suspended. Cos will not come. So what will come? Put here minus sign because of this man, and it will change into sine form. So 2 sine x plus y upon 2 into sine x minus y upon 2. I told you cos is suspended. In negative formula, cos is suspended. So only in the place of cos you write down sine and put here minus sign. Now sine x plus y. Sine x plus y you write down 2 sine. Similarly like this we have done now. 2 cos in plus formula 2 cos x upon x plus y upon 2 x. Similarly write down 2 sine x plus y upon 2 and sine and that cos. Put here cos. One time cos will come x minus y upon 2. So sin x plus sin y, we remember 2 sin x plus y upon 2 into cos x plus minus y upon 2. Then sin x minus y. Sin x minus y only replace this first cos will come 2, then cos will come here cos x plus y upon 2 and sin x minus y upon 2. Remember this, in sin x plus y, sin and cos, 2 sin cos. then sin x minus y, 2 cos will come first and sin will come after that, sin. So this is the formula. Now hereafter we will remember some most important formula. These are very important. You will remember. See how we will remember this. Cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. Actually, if you open both the formula, cos x plus y and cos x minus y, so thereafter after calculation we will get here 2 cos x cos y. But you should remember this, because it is you will not get time in exam that to open this formula. So remember by this way. Then cos x plus y minus cos x minus y, if you open, then you will get here minus 2 sin x sin y. Then sin x plus y plus sin x minus y, if you open the formula, then you will remember, you will get here 2 sin x cos y. And then sin x plus y minus sin x minus y, in the place of minus sign, you will get here 2 cos x and sin y. So these formula if you remember and learn, then this exercise will be very easy for you, 3.2. So please remember this formula, learn and write these formula again and again, so you can do the exercise nicely. Thank you.